Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching Technical World. WhatsApp user facing a storage problem. When we launch WhatsApp, then tap setting and tap storage and data. Here, under media auto download, photo is for Wi-Fi and server, audio only on Wi-Fi, video Wi-Fi, documents Wi-Fi. If we are going to change it, but after some time or we are force close the WhatsApp and relaunch, and we will get back the same thing that we left or set before. This is not a iOS 15.5 problem. This is the WhatsApp latest update problem. And how we solve it, we just go back to settings in WhatsApp, then tap help and tap on contact us. Here we have to put the problem that we are facing right now and enable this option, include device information, then tap next. And this will you will send to the WhatsApp Support Center, and they will notice, and on the next update or before the next update they will solve your problem. Otherwise you will send by setting help contact us, and you will put your problem and send via email. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.